Welcome to How to Actually Apply Think and Grow Rich in 30 Days. Napoleon Hill's classic book has inspired millions, but many people read it, feel motivated, and then do nothing. They don't apply it. In this audiobook-style guide, we'll transform Hill's 13 principles into a practical 30-day action plan. If you follow it step by step, you will not just understand the millionaire mindset, you'll start living it. This isn't theory, this is practice. Let's begin. Week 1. Building the foundatio. Day 1. Define your burning desire. Write down exactly what you want. Be specific. Not, I want more money, but I will earn $10,000 a month by creating my own business within 12 months. Clarity creates direction. Action. Write your goal. Decide what you'll give in return, time, effort, or skills. Day 2. Write your goal statement. Turn your desire into a personal mission statement. It should include the exact amount, the deadline, what you'll give in return, and how you'll achieve it. Action. Write a 5-6 line goal statement. Example, I will earn $100,000 by December 31st, 2026 by building a digital business. I will commit 2 hours daily to learning and executing my plan. I believe I will achieve it. Day 3. Faith through affirmations. Read your goal statement aloud twice a day, morning and night. Say it with emotion. Imagine already having it. Action. Stand in front of a mirror. Read your goal with conviction. Day 4. Visualize the outcome. Close your eyes. Imagine the lifestyle, the feelings, the freedom your goal brings. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. Action. Spend 10 minutes visualizing your dream life. Day 5. Autosuggestion. Practice. Write down 5 affirmations that reinforce your goal. Examples, I am worthy of success. I attract opportunities that bring me wealth. I persist until I succeed. Action, repeat them aloud 3 times daily. Day 6, remove negative input. Your environment shapes your thoughts. Remove toxic influences, negative people, bad news, and self-doubt. Action, eliminate 1 negative influence today. Replace it with a positive book, podcast, or mentor. Day 7, weekly reflection. Look back. Did you write, repeat, and visualize daily? If not, recommit. Success is built on consistency. Action, journal. 10 minutes about your progress and obstacles. Week 2, building mental strength. Day 8, specialized knowledge. Identify 1 skill or field that can help you achieve your goal. Action, choose a subject to master. Start learning today, books, online courses, or mentors. Day 9, create a learning plan. Knowledge without a plan is wasted. Action, write a 30-day mini curriculum. What will you study? For how long each day? Day 10, imagination workshop. Spend time brainstorming ways to turn your desire into reality. Action, write down 5 to 10 ideas daily. Don't judge them. Capture first, refine later. Day 11, organized planning. Turn your goal into steps. Example, if your goal is $10,000 a month, what's step 1? Build a product, offer a service, grow an audience. Action, break your big goal into 3 milestones. Write the first 5 actions you need to take. Day 12, the mastermind principle. You can't do it alone. Action, reach out to at least 1 mentor, partner, or accountability buddy who shares your ambition. Day 13, decision training. Make a decision today that you've been postponing. Big or small, act quickly. Action. Pick 1 lingering decision and make it before tonight. Day 14, weekly reflection. Are you building faith, learning skills, and planning your path? Action. Write what you accomplished this week and what to improve. Week 3, taking bold action day. 15, start executing. Stop planning, start doing. Take the first real action toward your goal today. Action, do 1 thing that moves you closer. Send an email, create a draft, make a sale, launch a page. Day 16, persistence challenge. Obstacles will appear. Expect them. Action, when faced with resistance, write, this is part of the process. I will persist until I win. Then take the next step anyway. Day 17, train your subconscious. Before sleep, repeat your goal and visualize success. This programs your mind overnight. Action. 5 minutes of affirmations. plus visualization before bed. Day 18, protect your mind. Thoughts are energy. Stay away from gossip, complaints, and fear-based content. Action, replace 30 minutes of scrolling with reading 10 pages of a success book. Day 19, focused action. Day block 2 to 3 hours to work only on your goal, no distractions. Action, turn off notifications. Use pure focus to complete one major task. Day 20, expand your mastermind. Connect with 2 more people who inspire or support your journey. Action, message them, join a group, or schedule a call. Day 21, weekly reflection. What actions created momentum? Where did you procrastinate? Action, write 3 wins and 3 lessons learned. Week 4, locking in the mindset. Day 22, face fear directly. Identify your number 1 fear. Poverty, criticism, failure. Write it down. Action, do one small action that directly challenges this fear. Day 23, strengthen persistence. Commit to never quitting. Write a no matter what statement. Action, I will persist until I succeed, no matter how many failures I face. Read it daily. Day 24, expand imagination. Visualize not just money but impact. How will your success serve others? Action, write a 1-page vision of your life at full success. Day 25, execute relentlessly. Dedicate today to massive action. Complete 3 important tasks. Action, prioritize progress over perfection. Day 26, tune your brain. Surround yourself only with success input, motivational talks, books, and successful people. Action, replace today's music or entertainment with educational content. Day 27, 6th sense awareness. Pay attention to hunches and gut feelings. Your mind is sharper now. Action, write down any insights or flashes of inspiration you get today. Day 28, gratitude and abundance. Gratitude attracts more abundance. Action, write 10 things you are grateful for right now. Day 29, review and refine. Review your 30-day journey. What worked? What didn't? What's next? Action, adjust your plan for the next 30 days. Day 30, recommit and launch. Forward, read your goal statement with passion. Visualize your dream. Commit to the next 90 days. Action, say aloud, I am living the principles of think and grow rich. Success is inevitable. In just 30 days you have written a clear, definite goal, built faith and persistence, applied autosuggestion and visualization, taken action daily, created your mastermind, begun transforming fear into courage. This is how you actually apply think and grow rich. Success is no longer just an idea, it's a daily practice. So keep going. Extend the system another 30 days, then another, because wealth, freedom, and success are not one-time events. They are the result of habits repeated daily. Thank you for listening. If this inspired you, subscribe for more guides on success, wealth, and the millionaire mindset.